Try it yourself. Adding dynamic flow control to forms. In this try it yourself exercise, we'll add some basic flow control to an e-commerce web form for accepting payments. The purpose of this exercise is to provide you with experience hiding, showing, disabling, and auto-focusing web elements as the user interacts with the form. The code for this exercise is in the Hour 13 folder. The files, with the exception of the images, are named Hour 1302. In the file hour1302.html, if we scroll down, we can see references to 4 images that are necessary for this exercise. They're in the code listings archive. We have visa.png, mc.png, amex.png, and ppal.png. Let's run the project. And the way this works is a traditional web form that has some cool user interface elements to it that provide convenience for the user. For instance, we can fill out the shipping info up on top and then select Same as Shipping to gray out the rest of this information. Alternatively, if we want to override that behavior, we can provide different info below. That's one aspect of interactivity in the form. The other one deals with how we handle the payment method specifically. Notice for Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, we have the traditional number and CSC fields. If we select PayPal, on the other hand, notice that the user interface changes to PayPal email and PayPal password. Let's take a look at the code. The HTML code and the CSS code defines and styles the basic payment form respectively. In the JavaScript file, we have our ready function. That's all the way down in line 35. The first few lines are just click handlers. Lines 40 through 46 implement the flow control of submitting and resetting the form. The submit handler displays a message that the form submission is not yet implemented and prevents submit. The click handler for the reset button prompts the user with a message before calling reset to reset the form. Scrolling on up now, in line 13, we have the update ADDR function. This updates the billing address to match that of the shipping and disable the billing elements if the checkbox is selected. If the checkbox is not selected, line 22 removes the disabled attribute so that the user can choose a different billing address, which I demonstrated a moment ago. In line 24, we have a function to update the payment section, as you saw, such that when the user selects PayPal, the user sees different fields than they do for the other card types.